Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Riverside FM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you send an invitation to someone to dual record a video in Riverside? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to invite somebody to record a video with you in Riverside? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and part of that is content creation, interviewing other people in your industry, you know that Riverside is a popular way to do that because Riverside will record on both sides of the conversation. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Riverside account dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged it into my Riverside account, and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, there's actually a few different ways that you can invite somebody to record a video with you, even if they're on the other side of the country. So first, what you're going to do is click on this little person icon here. Once you hover over it, it's going to say invite to record. Okay, so here are the two different ways you can invite somebody to record a video with you. This is the one that I normally use. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to share a link. Before you copy the link on this purple button, you want to make sure to change this if it doesn't say guest. So here are the different permissions. So this would be like if you're doing a YouTube live video, people can join in and watch, and they can also join you in the chat, but they cannot be part of the recording. So this one is normally what I'm going to choose. It's a guest. So then it's going to be a side-by-side video. So I'm going to choose this, and then you're just going to copy the link, and then you can go ahead and text that to somebody, or you can email it to them or post it in a Facebook, however you normally share your links. Once they click on this link, it's going to open them up into Riverside and let them know they've been invited to make a video with me. Alternatively, you can go ahead and send them an email. So you just put in their email address, change this if it doesn't say guest, and then you'll just send the invite. So let me show you what this looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. All right, let me jump on over to a different browser. Okay, so I went ahead and opened up another browser, and this is what the invitation to record with me looks like. It just welcomes them into my studio, and it lets them know they're about to record a session with me. So all they need to do is go ahead and click on this purple button. Let's go. Okay, once they do that, it's going to prompt them to go ahead and log into their Riverside. However, it doesn't work on Safari, as you see right here. It needs to be on either Chrome or Edge. But once they click on the link, it's going to bring them to their Riverside account for them to log in. And that way they'll be able to record a video with me in the studio. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to send an invitation to someone to record a video with you in Riverside, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.